Hello friends, I'm Sneha and the thing that we have today is an electricity kit. So let us see what is there in it. So this is the box and there are more than 50 components in it. So here are the small instructions. It is written how to paste velcros. There are small velcros in it, using which we can stick batteries to the base. And here we can see there are 8 projects. There are 8 things that we can make. So let us see what we can find in this box. So here we are given this instruction manual, and in it we can see we have got all the instructions we need. We can make spaceship, neighborhood, and table fan, camping tent, monster lamp, Xmas tree lamp, fairy tale house, and helicopter. So here are the bases. Here are the project bases. See, they all are made up of foam. They are foam. Here's an orange one, and this is green, and the blue one. And this one is for making helicopter, and these two are just connected, and they are for making table fan. More things that we have in here are 2 fans. This is for helicopter and this one is for this table fan. And here are paper models. Let us see. These are the paper models. Here is the spaceship. It gets open like this. And this is the neighborhood. Here, the place where it is written paste here, we have to apply glue. So it is a small 3D model. And this one is the Xmas tree. Here it is written paste here. So yes, this is the Xmas tree lamp. And here are stars. We have to pluck it. We have to take it out like this. And here is the tent. This is the tent. There are 2 holes in it. And one helicopter 3D model. This comes with the helicopter model. And yes, this is the neighborhood, and this one is the fairy tale house. Yes, this one is the fairy tale house. And the best of all is the monster lamp. Here are the eyes. We can take it out. Next thing we have it is the components. We have got here a motor, and so many push pins. See, these are the push pins, and it can be used to make helicopter. And these are the velcros. These are the battery connectors and some extra wires. This is the Fevicol, the glue, and these are the LED lights. See, this is the LED light and there's one more in it. And these are the switches. See, this is the switch. And one bell. This is a bell. And here is the battery. So first of all, let us pack all this and then we will start making our 3D models. So first of all, we are going to make the monster lamp. So let us see the instructions first. So this is the monster lamp, and the things that we need in here is the monster lamp model. This is the monster lamp model. We have to make it, and we need monster lamp foam base. This is the base, and we need the LED light, and we need battery, and we need some push pins, a Fevicol, a battery connector, and a switch. So these are the things that we need. So let us read the instructions. Part 1 is to make the model. Step 1 is take out the orange model and fold it into a box. We have to apply glue and make it ready. So let us start. First of all, let us fold it. It will get ready like this. So let us apply glue. So we have took out all the eyes. Now our part 2 is get the circuit ready. So step 1 is place the foam base on a flat surface. We have to place it like this. The switch part must be up at the upper part. So our step 2 is stick the battery to the foam base using the Velcro. So first of all, yes, we have one Velcro in here, and we have to do like this. It is ready. Now we just have to stick it here. Yes, it is stuck here tightly. It doesn't fall. So let us read the next instruction. It is unpeel the sticker on the back of the LED light and stick at the marked place on the foam base. So yes, we have one double-sided tape at the back of this LED light. So we have to peel off its sticker and stick it at the marked place. Yes, here. Yes. Yes, it is also stuck tightly. Now we have to place the switch at the marked place on the foam base. Here it is written switch, so we would keep it here. Now step 5 is to connect all the wires using the push pins. Now we have to take the push pins and connect all the wires. First is connect the positive wire of the battery to the positive wire of the LED light. We have to connect the positive wire of the battery to the positive wire of the LED light. We have to connect it like this at this place. Now we need to use the push pins. Yes, it is fixed. See? And then we need to connect the negative wire of the battery to the switch. Here. Connect the negative wire of the battery, here it is, to the switch. So we have to connect it like this. It is fixed. Next is connect the negative wire of the LED light to the switch. Here is our switch. So the switch is on. So we have to keep it off. So our circuit is ready. Now we have to get our lamp working. Part 3 is get your lamp working. So first step is place the orange model on top of the circuit base along the dotted line. Here are the dotted lines. We have to connect it like this. Keep it like this. Yes. And then affix it to the base by putting push pins on the flaps, and then we have to turn on the switch. So now our 3D working model is ready. So our working model is ready. Now let us see if it works. See, this is our monster lamp, and here it works properly. Now let us turn the lights off and see. So here is our monster lamp. It looks very scary when it is dark. Here it is. It is all green in color.